SKIN1004 Centella TECA Ampoule is a soothing, lightweight treatment that feels gentle and refreshing on the skin while delivering long-lasting hydration. It's packed with calming ingredients like Centella Asiatica extract and TECA, a concentrated blend of madecassoside, asiaticoside, madecassic acid, and asiatic acid, which work together to reduce redness, support skin repair, and strengthen the moisture barrier. The formula also includes glycerol glucoside and polyglutamic acid to attract and lock in moisture, leaving the skin feeling plump and hydrated throughout the day, while allantoin helps soften and protect sensitive or irritated areas. Despite its intensive benefits, the texture is light, non-sticky, and absorbs quickly, making it comfortable for daily use and easy to layer with other skincare. To use, apply a few drops after cleansing and toning. Gently spread it across the face and pat until fully absorbed. When your skin needs extra soothing or hydration, layer the ampoule 2 to 3 times, allowing each layer to sink in before applying the next for a boosted calming and replenishing effect.